celebrating what I see. Finally realizing self-care is never selfish.
Hi, my name is Rashida, licensed esthetician, owner of Relax Aesthetics here in Lombard, Illinois, and your skin's new BFF. So, here at Relax Aesthetics, we believe self care is never selfish, it's essential. So, I thought it would be nice to share what I'm doing to currently care for my skin. As an esthetician, you might think I never have skin issues or my skin never reacts. I wish that was the case, but right now my skin is struggling. I'm experiencing dryness, stinging, hyperpigmentation, and my eczema is flaring more often. So, I want to explain to you why I'm quitting my current skincare routine and the professional strategy I'm using to heal my skin and get my glow back. So, I want to try to explain this in a brand neutral way because the truth is, the products were not bad themselves. The issue lied within my compromised barrier and my eczema prone skin. So, like most estheticians, I pushed the envelope a little bit. I used a cleanser that had a higher percentage of glycolic acid, and glycolic acid is amazing. However, if you have a compromised barrier or eczema prone skin like I do, it can be a tad bit too aggressive. With me, one thing I'm going to do is try a product before I ever put it on a client, right? That's just my practice. I want to know how it feels. I want to experience it. I want to know how it progresses over time. And for me, it's about being able to confidently recommend something and honestly describe it. And I don't feel like I can really do that if I haven't used it. That's just me, right? So I knew that using the product was a little bit of a risk, but again, that's just my practice. Now, I used this cleanser and I noticed stinging right away. And so I rinsed it off. But throughout the day, regardless of me rinsing it off, I still noticed the stinging. Now, in certain areas. Now, the next couple of days, I noticed hyperpigmentation in some of the areas where stinging was occurring. So, obviously, I knew that I had created a problem. At the time, I was trying out some hydrating and calming products that I was considering bringing into my treatment room. And these products would normally be fine. They were not unlike what I would normally use in my skin routine. However, over the next few weeks, I noticed an increase in my eczema flares, more dry patches, and just products that are normally calming for me began to sting. And so that's a huge sign when you're using products that are supposed to be calming and instead or hydrating and meant for sensitive skin, et cetera, and they're stinging, that is a huge sign that your barrier is compromised. So, as an esthetician, I often find myself telling my clients that a product can be amazing, just not amazing for your skin or not amazing for your skin right now, right? So, my routine, the things that I was using before, they were great. They're just not great for my skin right now. So, my first goal is healing my barrier. So, that will be my main focus. Secondly, I am going to exfoliate, but I'm going to change the way I do that. I'm going to choose the right type for my skin right now. I'm not using any strong acids. I'm going to focus on enzyme treatments and mild resurfacing that will not flare my eczema prone skin. And third, I'm simplifying my routine, pulling it back to basics, removing everything that could potentially be an irritant to my skin. I ordered some products that are specifically for barrier repair and sensitive skin. And so I'll be filming a full video showing you these products and how I'm using them. And I will be providing you guys updates over the next few weeks how my skin does. So as soon as I get those products, you will get the video. I believe skincare is a huge part of self care. And self care is not about doing more, it's about doing what your skin actually needs or what you actually need. So, if right now your skin is feeling irritated or it's feeling dry, it's feeling reactive, it's okay to step back and focus on healing your barrier. If you're in the lumbar area, I would love to help you rebuild your routine and support your skin through a reset. And if you're not in the lumbar area, I can still help you book an online consultation. I would love to help guide you. And remember, self-care is never selfish, it's essential. It's okay to take care of you because when you take care of yourself, you're better equipped to care for those around you. Sending you guys love and light. Bye. So I'm going to tell you how I'm currently caring for my skin. I don't know, it's weird. It's getting weird.